I think it's important that everybody try to learn at least one thing every day. Did you know the original name of the Del Taco restaurant chain was Casa del Taco? There you go. You're welcome. Now you can go back to bed. But you got to watch this video first, because I'm going to show you how to make something off of their old menu that sadly no longer exists. Truth be told, Del Taco was always my favorite. I know I worked at Taco Bell, but it's because I wasn't good enough for Del Taco. That's not true. It was just much further away from my house, so I had a bike. It was, one of those things. Didn't want to cross 3 major roads to get there. That was it. That was basically all there was. But yeah, Del Taco was pretty famous out here in the western areas. Growing up in Orange County, California, Del Taco and Noggles were everywhere. Yes, Noggles. It was not officially part of the company, but it kind of was, because Don Noggles, or Noggle or whatever, was one of the partners of Del Taco. He just had his own thing that he did with I have no idea. Above my pay grade. All I know is that this is their old Spicy Jack chicken quesadilla that they used to have on their menu. I love this thing. They had 2 versions, just the Spicy Jack quesadilla and the Spicy Jack chicken quesadilla. And what was the difference? They added chicken. How do you make it? Well, I'm going to show you real quick, because this thing's super, super easy. And then you can go take that nap because you learned something already. You learned a couple of things already. I mean, sleep for days, man. You earned it. All right, so what do we need for this? We need a big 12-inch tortilla. They used the big tortillas. Yeah, the macho combo things. That was the big tortillas. Okay, and they use pepperjack cheese. If you can find pepperjack cheese that's in the block, grated up, it's perfect. I can only find slices. So, I'm putting some slices on here. Now, they did not use a massive amount of cheese. This is more than enough cheese. How you want to do these extra pieces up here is up to you, but basically that is going to give you good cheese coverage, and that's all you need. That goes in the pan and gets cooked up, and there's your Spicy Jack chicken quesadilla. It's not hard, or Spicy Jack quesadilla. You want to add the chicken? We have some chicken here. Now what do we have? We have some shredded chicken, basically. How do you get to this point? You can use any method you want to cook the chicken. Don't use those cans of chicken that looks like the tuna in there. If you have to, but please don't. You can bake this. You take a chicken breast, put it in a pan, put some spices on it, put it in the oven for about 40 minutes, something like that, at 350. You will get wonderful chicken that you can shred up, and it looks lovely like that. If you want to boil it, you can do that. If you want to braise it, when you put it in the oven, put it in water chicken stock with all those spices, and then it will be nice and juicy. As that happens, just takes about 5 minutes, 7 minutes longer, something like that. You can grill this. Take your chicken breast, throw it on the grill, grill it up. It's fantastic and delicious. Can you microwave it? I have no idea. I've never tried that. Don't ask me. That is not my channel. There's probably another channel that's like microwave everything. I don't do that. Those are the acceptable ways. If you don't want to do any of those things and you don't want to cook at all, instead of using the microwave, just go to the grocery store and get one of those rotisserie chicken things that are already made. Take that, pull it all apart, toss it in a little bit of taco sauce or something like that, a little enchilada sauce, a couple of packets of hot sauce you got from the last time you went through the drive-thru. Perfect. Just toss that in there, and this is what you're going to end up with. Do you want this cold? No. You want this warm because it's going to melt better. Basically, I'm going to show you how to upgrade this, and there was not a ton of chicken on this, so we are not going to go completely crazy, but yeah, basically that is enough chicken to duplicate what they did. There. Now it's better. All right, speaking of better, that looks awfully dry, doesn't it? And it was. You pull it apart and put the packets of hot sauce inside of it if you so chose. But an option if you want to upgrade this. This is authentic. This is an upgrade if you want something like this, a green verde sauce, a green-based hot sauce, taco sauce, something like that. Just take a little bit of this and you're just going to put basically some drops on that. That's it. That is my upgrade to their Spicy Jack chicken quesadilla. I'm going to put this in a pan here. I've got my pan heating up over here. We're going to toast this up with a little bit of butter. I'm going to show you that real fast because I've already talked too much. It's just a stupid quesadilla. Come on, let's cook this thing, and then I'll come back here, take a bite, and then you can go back and take your nap. All right. In order to cook this quesadilla, you're going to need a pan like this, a 14-inch cast iron comal, something like this that you can fit the 12-inch tortilla in. I've got a 12-inch lid to help melt this, and about a half a tablespoon of butter. The whole thing's heated to about 350 degrees or medium heat, something like that. We're just going to let this cook until everything melts, basically. And you want to get just a little bit of crispy on the thing, but the way that they made this, it was not really terribly crispy, so don't worry about getting it all browned. It should still be fairly soft, and that is pretty much exactly what you're looking for. We're done. I'm just going to put this on my cutting board and cut it into 4 pieces. All right, seriously, that is it. That is as easy as that is. And now you know how to make this. I'm going to cut into this sucker right now and show you. Now, they do cut this in a interesting way, which is, I guess, the fast food way to do this. But you're not going to get much cheese pull on this because they don't put a lot of cheese in it. But yeah, basically, I don't know if that's very interesting to see in the camera there. That's what it looks like. It's a fast food quesadilla. It's not fine dining. So this is the Del Taco Spicy Jack chicken quesadilla. Basically, that's it. It's easy peasy, and now you know. I'm going to do some more Del Taco stuff in case you're a fan. And if you don't know what Del Taco is, just think Taco Bell, but with fresher stuff and a crazy menu. They have burgers and shakes and fries and chicken strips and weird stuff. But yeah, this is one of the fun things they don't have anymore. So now you know how to make it, and I thank you for watching. Oh, come on. Of course I'm going to bite into this. Are you kidding me? It's just hot. I'm stalling. All right. I'm going to take a bite of this thing because I miss these. I really do. Oh, yeah. That is exactly it. If you, there's just that pepperjack cheese. Now you put that little grain sauce in there. Oh, that just, it still tastes exactly like it, but it just tastes like it to 11. And that is way better than to like 8. So that just kicks it up a couple extra notches, and feel free to do that if you want to. If you don't want to, then don't. But now you know, and you have the option. And I thank you for watching, and I'll be coming out with more stuff soon. So stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.